This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rachel Hull. Come check out this beautiful Viera East Condo with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This second-story condo is an end unit and has a private interior staircase. Enjoy the gorgeous lake view from the kitchen and open floor plan with great space to entertain. Upgraded kitchen and bath fixtures, window treatments, updated fans in all rooms, and washer and dryer included too. All 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets. End unit with tons of natural light and upgraded flooring. Open living area with nook for office or play space. Rent includes cable TV, internet, water, trash, pool, fitness center, barbecue, and exterior maintenance. Open parking, great location with easy access to shopping, dining, US1 and I95. 20 minutes to the beaches and an hour to the Orlando attractions. Schedule a private tour today as this beautiful unit will not last long. For more information